Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I share with you that niche, I just want to share with you my 2 print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. And I actually have both of these courses 50% off just for today only. So here you can see the first class. It's a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering merch by Amazon. Usually this course is $30.99, but for today only, it's only $19.99. This course comes with 16 lessons. It's over an hour of content, and I teach you a lot of good stuff in this course about how to scale your designs, niche down, cross niche, how to find trendy niches, how to find evergreen niches, how to keep your account safe, how to check for trademarks, how to design styles, how to hire designers, where to find designs, SEO keywords, things like that. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. And then the one that I have for Redbubble is this one right here. It's a step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble. This one is also usually $39.99, but for today only, it's only $19.99. You get 20 lessons in this course, and it's also over an hour of content. Also good for people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble or for people that might be new to Redbubble. If we take a look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller, and I've done over 11,000 sales, and I've made over $37,000 on the Merch by Amazon platform. And when we look at my credentials on Redbubble, we're going to see that over the past 12 months, I've done over $2,000, with my best month being in June, where I did 317. So if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description. I'll also have them as a pinned comment, and they will be 50% off for today only. Okay, now let's get into the content of the video, and I got a really good one for you guys today. It is Mardi Gras cruise. So Mardi Gras is a big holiday that's celebrated every year in the United States, and it's coming up February 21st. And I was just doing some research on some Mardi Gras designs, and I ended up finding these designs that were cross-niching Mardi Gras with cruise, like going on a cruise. So this is what some of the shirts look like. Let me show you the competition first. So only 169 results. When we look at these top 4 t-shirts right here, you kind of get a better idea. You see the cruise ship. So this is for people that are, going to be on a cruise during Mardi Gras. So they want to celebrate Mardi Gras while they're on the cruise. And when we look at these designs, we're going to see that they were just recently uploaded. So last month, this is just like a couple of days ago, it looks like. December, last month. And look at these BSRs. 143,000, 316, 675, 255. I mean, 3 out of the top 4 are under 400,000, and they got good prices, $16.99, $17.99. And this is pretty easy to design for. There's a couple ways you can design for this. One, you can just do the simple Mardi Gras cruise with some clip art of cruises and Mardi Gras, or you can kind of niche down or cross niche it even more with the year of 2023. Get kind of more specific. You can also do like Mardi Gras cruise squad, Mardi Gras cruise crew, things like that. When we take a look and test to see if this is trademark, this one right here, we're going to see Mardi Gras cruise. We hit enter. We're going to see that nothing pops up. So this that phrase is not trademarked. When we look at the competition on Etsy, we're going to see that there's only 849 results. Here I thought was another funny cruising and boozing. That's another funny phrase. You'd have to check to see if that's trademarked, but that might be a good option. We see another one where it's cross-niching Mardi Gras cruise in 2023. If we go to Redbubble, barely any competition as well, 254 results. And when we go to TeePublic, you can see some of the designs that people are making. So I thought this was actually a pretty good niche because, there's barely any competition for it. It's an upcoming holiday that's coming up, and, these designs are selling very well, as we can see by the BSRs. Now, if you are lazy like me and you don't want to design, or you don't want to spend money on designers, you can go to Creative Fabrica and check this out. I just typed in Mardi Gras cruise, and here we have some designs right here. So you can just actually take these and you can just upload them onto the print-on-demand platforms. I do have an affiliate link in my description. So if you go to one of my videos and you scroll down where it says my favorite POD tools, you're going to see Creative Fabrica. This is an affiliate link. So if you purchase a subscription with Creative Fabrica, I get a kickback. But to be honest, I've been really liking Creative Fabrica lately. They got a lot of options. You pay $59 for the year, but it breaks down to only $5 a month. I used to recommend Vexels, and I still like Vexels, but Vexels is a lot more expensive and a lot less options. Creative Fabrica, a lot cheaper and way more options. So if you're interested in Creative Fabrica, check out the link in the description. But this is going to be the niche for today. It's Mardi Gras cruise. Good one, low in competition, like I said, and it's selling. And if you're interested in, if you like this kind of content, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. I make videos like trendy niches, design ideas, things like that. If you go to my channel and you're looking for more design ideas, you can check out my first playlist right here. This one actually right here I made the other day about Valentine's Day, and I actually just downloaded some designs from Fabrica and I put them up, and I already got 4 sales yesterday on a TeePublic. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, if you're looking for design ideas, check out these other videos. And if you're struggling on merch, you're struggling on Redbubble, or you're just new and you're looking for some guidance, you might want to consider checking out one of my courses. Again, they're going to be 50% off for today only. Tomorrow they will go back up to $39.99. All right, so thanks so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.